welcome back to a makeup tutorial. Haven't done one in a while, but the look I'm going for today is a soft glam look. I've already done my brows with my NYX brow pomade and my LA Pro Girl concealer, and I'm going to be taking this Becca Cosmetics velvet blurring primer that they gifted me, and I really like this because it pairs well with the Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream, which is my foundation that I'll be using. And I like to just rub that into my face. And you guys are going to actually see me take this lip saver by Pop Sugar that is a balm, but it looks like a lip gloss, but I promise you it's almost like a Vaseline balm. And now I'm going to be taking my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I am setting in the areas that I get oily. I have combination skin. I know this seems a little backwards, but I promise you this is great for the summertime, especially for those of you who have like this glossy forehead like me. It really keeps the shine down, and it really keeps my makeup matte and yeah, just not oily, you know. I just love this technique, so you guys should definitely try it. And now I'm going to be taking the Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream, just 2 pumps. I really don't like to paint my face, especially if it's, you know, summertime. But yeah, I pretty much do this all the time. This is basically my basic go-to face makeup wear, this whole technique. I'm just going to be buffing that into my skin. And I don't really like to go too far into my forehead because, as you can see, my forehead is a little tan on its own, so it'll look seamless once I start to contour, so just ignore that. And now I'm going to be taking the LA Pro Girl concealer in the shade Cool Tan. This is like slightly lighter than my actual complexion, if not almost the same, which I like because I'm not really into the whole super highlighted under eye look. So I'm going to be taking this down the bridge of my nose, under my eyes, a little bit on my chin, and a little bit on my forehead, and I'm going to buff that in. And a little trick that I like to do is take the same foundation brush that I used and kind of just go back in and blend out that concealer to make it a little bit more seamless and not so harsh. And now I'm going to go back with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder that they gifted me, and I'm going to set that under the areas where I used my concealer. Now I'm going to go in the Sleek Cosmetics contour palette, and I'm going to go in with that darker shade. And the one thing I like about this palette is the fact that the darker contour shade has this cool undertone, and it doesn't look harsh and red. A lot of contour shades look a little red on me, but I really like how this came out on my complexion. Now I'm going to go in with this Sleek Cosmetics highlighting palette that they gifted me. And I'm going to take that bottom pinky shade. So this is going to be like a soft pinky glam look, I guess. This highlight was a little more pigmented than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a little chalky, but I'm actually glad how it came out. So it's really, really shiny, as you can see. The ring light is definitely making it look poppin'. And I'm going to take that same highlight color and I'm going to put that under my brows. And I'm going to go back in and put it on the tip of my nose as well. Now I'm going to be taking my mascara by Suagr. I am loving this mascara. I've been using it for almost a week now. And the really cool thing about it is it's 2-in-1. So you're going to see me flip the tube over. And there's going to be a smaller side for your bottom lashes, which is really cool. And it really does grab the bottom lashes. So it's super convenient to be in one tube, which I absolutely love. Now I'm going to go back in that same contour palette and kind of just contour my nose a little bit. And then add that highlight to the tip of my nose. And then I'm going to be adding some lashes off camera by Allure that they gifted me, which is in the Opulent Mink lashes. And then I'm going to set my set my face with my setting spray. And take this Cosmic Crystal Liquid Lippy by Suagr. And I really like this too because it's like a pinky purple look in the bottle, but it's clear on your lips. So it's really pretty. And then I am pretty much done. That is all for this soft glam look. As you can see, I did wear a little bit of eyeliner because the lashes do have a dark band. But for the most part, that is it. That is super simple, super cute, super easy, and super glowy. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Bye.